try to stay inside of it.
Good one, Artie.
Ventura County is unique because Oxnard has got the only rink and has had the only rink since the 1980s. And it's a wonderful venue. We have a relationship with the senior recreation department here. Lawn bowling is a game that has started back in early days. I mean, when people first could throw a rock, that's where lawn bowling originated, except it perhaps wasn't on lawns. So right now, the major hub of lawn bowling is probably in Australia. It's been around for a long, long time. It's kind of like curling, Olympics curling on grass. The object of the game is to get as close as you can to the white ball, which is the jack. We call it the jack. So many bowls are made out of melamine. They used to be made out of a real hard wood like walnut. Each bowl is a little bit different. They weigh around 3 pounds each. I've gone to several different clubs around Southern California, and all the people they welcome you with open arms. You can spend 2.5 hours with people here that you kind of just enjoy life. It's competitive, and it's also something that you can just enjoy whether you're not competitive or not. Some days you'll have good days, some days you'll have bad days. We have a total of 70 members here at Oxnard. And we turn out, like today is pretty typical. We've got like maybe I think it's about 40 people. All you have to do is just come. We'll give you free lessons. We'll let you borrow bowls until you are accustomed to what you want to do. That way you can try out different bowls and see what the sizes are that you need and what the bias is going to be. So after about 2 or 3 lessons, we put you on a grass and let you bowl.
What's great about lawn bowling is that there's a level playing field between the men and women. It really doesn't matter. We can beat the guys anytime. In fact, we have had a team of girls that just said, hey, you guys want to play? Because we were done with our tournament. They came over and we did. We beat them, and they were kind of sad, but it's great. Here at Oxnard, you pay $150 for a year, and you can play Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, any and all days. It's just the best sport ever, the nicest people ever, and it's just fun. Oh, my son and daughter-in-law are world champions, and they go all over Australia, Hong Kong, and when they go there, they're in their 40s and late 40s, and when they go there, the people they're bowling against are like 20, because the other countries start their kids so much younger, and they're really, really good. And we've got a couple young boys, men, they're 18 and 20, I think, and they'll come out when they're not working or at school, and great fun, to have them here. So we have some young members. It's not just all old people. Excellent. But it's great for old people. Gets them up and out and exercising. We do like 4,000 steps just playing this game. That's cool.